how to create US market in your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add or create US market in your Shopify store. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you have to log into your Shopify account, and then in the dashboard, you can navigate to the market in the left side of your screen here. And then as you can see, I already have two markets, which are the European Union and Indonesia. So I want to add one more for my customer. So it's US market. So you can just click create a United States market, or if you don't see it, you can just click create a market here. And then as you can see, this is the setup. So you have included United States, and then you can just set the name. I'm gonna leave it like that. And now this is the important ones. You have to set up the currency, which is for the US, it's already good, US dollars. And you can also set up or change the products. Maybe you don't want to add all products to the US market. You can, set it up. You can also change the theme if you want. Maybe you have different approach for the US market, maybe the design or something like that. And then for the domain, maybe you want to change it if you want. And if you think it's all good, you can just click save and it's done. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.